Let's take a look at this problem asking us to graph a rational function in Alex. So basically we want to make sure we understand that we have to plot all of the asymptotes. That would be horizontal, vertical, and possibly slant asymptotes. So for the vertical asymptotes, we have to make sure we have at least 2 points on each side. So however many vertical asymptotes you have to have 2 points on each side. So let's go ahead and start there with our vertical asymptotes. And if you set the denominator equal to 0, you will get x equal to -3. Now you can see here, this is a little touchy. So -1, 2, and 3. And it just moved just fine with my cursor. I gave it a click, and now I'm going to turn that off. So x equal to -3. There are no other vertical asymptotes. Let's go ahead and take a look at horizontal asymptotes. The degree of the numerator and the denominator, that's the same. It's equal to 1. So we make a ratio of the leading coefficients, y equal to 2 over 1, or y equal to 2 is a horizontal asymptote. So we go ahead and click there and turn that off. Now we need 2 points over here and 2 points over here. So let's go ahead and start on the right-hand side. We always like to use x equal to 0. When x is 0, we have -8/3. So h of 0 is -8/3. Clicking on plot a point, we have 0. And then I'm going to go ahead and put that negative out there and then click on this fraction, 8/3, and plot that point. Just looking at this numerator, I might as well just go ahead and let x equal to 5. It's not a big deal. So when x is 5, we have 2 in the numerator, 10 minus 8, and the denominator is 8. So here we have 2 divided by 8, which is 1/4. So when x is 5, y is 1/4. Okay, so now let's go to the left-hand side of our vertical asymptote. We can go ahead and just use x equal to -5. So when we put -5 into the function, h of -5, we get a -10 minus 8. So we have a -18 divided by a -2, which would give us a +9. So let's go ahead and -5 for our x value, and we have a +9. So now let's go ahead and maybe we could use maybe -6. So -6 would give us -12 minus 8, which is a -20, divided by a -3. So we'll go ahead and give that -6, and then we would have a -20 divided by a -3, so that's 20/3. And we go ahead and plot that point. So let's go ahead and close this plot a point window and click on graph our function and check that. And as you can see, that is correct.